Coco explains her side of the story about Derrick.
You know, so we can go on a backward, go do some skits and thing, but me I go beard and get ready and something, and retake and thing. Anyways, me beard and me get ready and something. When me arrive down at the place, downtown, cause to be honest, me never really go to certain places, you know. It's like Derrick a come to my car and Derrick a show somebody say, see our car, the other car they should have. So I say, but what is? See our car, the other car they should drive. I say, me not like that though. It's like yeah, show people my car and me no respect that. Me never really like that at all because me no know your friend them and my friend them and your friend them. Your friend is not my friend. You understand what I say? So me say when he come in the car, I say, Derrick, I really show somebody my car. Anyways, I say, Derrick, I show somebody my car, Derrick. Derrick say, yeah, I'm friend. But them people talk good about me. I say, Derrick, you know that, you know. I say, your friend is not my friend, you know, Derrick. You understand what I say? And that me say to Derrick, I'm a street girl, you know, you see me. You see, even though me not fear people like that on road, I tell him, say, look here, your friend is not my friend, Derrick. Me no move careless on road. I feel like say me can't trust you, you can't stay around me. And so me stay. You hear me I say? So me say to him, say, you know, say you can't do that though. You cannot do that. When him come in at the car, him all depend live, brother. Me I say, but Derrick, me I pick you up and you know them people that still can't dip on your life and me I pick you up and you know like you show people my vehicle and them something. Me I feel wonder if I show him all show the people them on live my vehicle and them thing. Because me a girl they post car. So not anymore, you know? Not exactly, not anymore. So respectfully, me just say to him, say, brother, me not really move so like that. You can't show people my vehicle because people and me is not friend and you know like that is your friend still. Yes, she not have no bad intention to me. You don't know your friend intention to me. She may not talk it with you, she can talk it with other people. You don't know if the girl like me or not. You don't know people like that. You understand what I mean? I say, my girlfriend is not my friend. Remember, him live around I guess us, you know. Him scared, him paranoid around this, so. You hear me I say? I don't know your friends don't know me. That is what I said to him. I never cuss nobody would have for him. I never say nothing bad to him. I realize say, him Margarita Black Abbey for me. I realize say, him dep on him life still. I said to him, say, Derrick, you can't dep on your life still. I'ma come and me pick you up on them Sunday. It's like you expose me to the public and expose me to the media. I never really like that. I said to Derrick, say, you know what? Because my mind is like my spirit does change from the whole idea. I said to him, say, Derrick, I'm not gonna bother go to back road. Him say, let me out. Stop the car and let me out them. Me never reach far with Derrick. It was just like a stone throw from there, so. So from the we part him there. Him come out and him walk, go back where him gone. When me come out now, him call me on the phone. I come talk to me like me a pitney underneath him. I said, Derrick, don't call my phone and talk to me so. I go block you from my phone. Don't call me and load up off of me and talk to me like say me have no girl underneath you. No call my phone and behave so Derrick. After you come back and hype on me, Coco, just because me show the friend car, me tell her so the girl not do not at all. Me tell her so the girl not. Me said, Derrick, calm down. I said, Derrick, calm down. Don't call my phone and load up your mouth off of me like this. Me lock off the phone. When me lock off the phone now, me not say nothing at all. Me just go upon him live because I know me try to study how him stay. But me not try to push the argument with him, you know. Me I try to pay attention to him, but still him not have no secret for me. Him no me not see where am I gonna do. Anything when I do, it does I go reflect on how awful as a person he is, as a human being he is, because I've never done anything bad to him. You hear me say?